Makita Kang Muli by Sugar Free. Ito na ang viral video, Sister Honey! Humble Homeboy Renzo! At Little Miss Ribbons, Summer! Wow, it's gonna be the battle of the ribbons. Handa ka na ba, Coach? Let's start! Let the battle begin!
Ipaglalaban ko ang ating pag-ibig. Maghintay ka lamang
Honey, Renzo, and Summer. Good job! Napakahusay. Alright, bago nating tanungin ang inyong coach na si Coach KZ, hingin muna natin yung komento ng ibang mga coaches. Let's ask Coach Martin.
KZ, congratulations. What an amazing job to teach these kids. Hindi lang yung mga parts nila, kung hindi yung umikot-ikot pa yung mga bosses nila, man. It's hard to teach adults that kind of singing. So really, hats off to you. Good job. Having said that, if I were you, I think I'll be leaning towards Honey. I liked her placement, but you're all amazing.
Ang hirap pumili dito kung ako coach mo. Kasi yung basehan ko kung ako pipili, yung nakita ko yung may energy na parang nga sa mata niya, may pa-fist pump pa siya ilang beses Ako si coach nyo, I'll pick Summer. Alright.
Summer. Para kay Coach Bamboo.
Yeah.
Very good.
Summer day.
Ultimate choice? Nakadepende sa inyo, Coach KZ. Sino nga ba sa ating young artist ang makikita nating muli sa sing-offs?
Oh my gosh. Sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, 6 years old, 8 years old, 6 years old. So kung napansin niyo po, yung mga areglo ng mga kids sa Team Supreme, regardless kung 6 years old sila or 12, I have tried to push them as artists. Binigyan ko sila ng assignment na, okay, may bosesan kayo ngayon. So, how are you gonna handle that? And them to take on challenge says a lot about who they are and who they can be in the future. I am so proud to have witnessed that. Yung decision ko is just purely based on this performance alone. Kung sino lang yung feeling kong mas na-manage niya yung nerves niya, yung feeling kong mas talagang nakakonect lang ako. Ang pipiliin ko pong... Ang pipiliin ko pong young artist ay si Honey.
Congratulations, Honey! We'll see you in the sing-offs! Mga kapamilya, kapatid, K to Z, muli palampakan po natin, Renzo and Summer! Super proud kami sa inyo. Thank you for joining. And now, pwede nyo nang makita muna ang inyong mga pamilya. Woo! Mga kapamilya, ang nagtagumpay sa battle round na ito, palakpakan po natin, Honey! See you very soon. Pwede ka na pumunta sa family mo muna.